Today let's take up issue of debentures, and we will take up the topic different cases from the point of view of redemption. Now we know that the issue of debentures, and here I'll write redemption of debentures, right? Okay. Now issue of debentures can be at par, at discount, or at premium, right? Now redemption of debentures, that is debentures issued at par, can be either redeemed at par or at premium. Same way, debentures issued at discount can be redeemed either at par or premium. And debentures issued at a premium can again be redeemed at par or at premium. So a total of 6 cases is there in this redemption, right? Okay. From this you can see that the redemption of debentures is never done at a discount. It is at par or at premium, right? Okay. Now we are going to look at the journal entries of all the 6 cases. Now here, first of all, debentures issued at par and redeemable at par. This is the cases of redeemable at par is the same as what we have been doing till now in the normal issue journal entries. So first thing is bank account debit to debenture application account with the amount of money that you get. Then we do debenture application account to share capital. That is the entry. That's it. Debentures, sorry, 9%, let's say it's debentures. Okay. Now the second one, that is debentures issued at a discount and redeemable at par. Fine. Now here again the first entry is bank account debit to debenture application account. Now you will write debenture application account debit discount on issue of debentures account with the value of the discount. Debit to 9% debentures account. Okay. Then the third case, debentures issued at premium and redeemable at par. Now here it is bank account debit to debenture application account, and here you have debenture application account debit to 9% debentures account and to securities premium reserve with the amount of premium here. So we have seen the first 3 cases. The first one being debentures issued at par and redeemable at par. Here There's no discount or no premium, so nothing is coming, only the normal entry, right? Then debentures issued at discount and redeemable at par. So discount on issue of debentures is debited. And the third case, debentures issued at premium and redeemable at par. The securities premium reserve is credited here, right? Okay. Now I'll take up the next three cases. When debentures are issued at par, but redeemable at premium, right? Okay. Now let's look at this. The first entry is bank account debit to debenture application. Debenture application account. Now after this, see, the entry is like this: debenture application account debit, loss on issue of debentures account debit to, let's say, 9% debentures account, to premium on redemption of debentures account. Now here you will have this with the premium payable on redemption, okay, and this one, loss of issue of debentures, this is again the same amount, in fact, for providing premium on redemption. That is a loss actually. I'll take up a small question to illustrate this case. First of all, we need to understand one thing, that suppose a company issues debentures at par. So debenture at ₹100, right? Okay, each, and redeems it at a premium of 5% or let's say 10%. So redeems it at a premium of 10 rupees means when the redemption is done, they have to pay 110 rupees for one debenture. That's what it means. When a debenture holder gets his debenture redeemed, then he will get a payment of 110, because 10 rupees is the premium. This is 100 plus 10. This is what he will get. So basically, the company is incurring a loss of 10 rupees on every debenture. Okay, so that is the loss that we are showing there in that second journal entry. Now I'll take up a small example. Let's say Gyan Limited issued 50,000 debentures let's say at par and redeemable at a premium of 10%. Okay, pass the journal entry. Now we are assuming that the whole money is coming along with the application only. Here I'll write bank account debit to debenture application account. Debenture application account. This is let's put it as 5,000 debentures instead of 50,000, or Yeah, 5,000 debentures at par, so that is 100 rupees, right? So this bank account to debenture application is 5 lakh. And now debenture application account is the same amount, 5 lakh, that is what they receive. Loss on issue of debentures. Here it is 5,000 into 10. On each debenture, the premium is 10 rupees. The premium is 10 rupees. See, hundred into 10% is equal to rupees 10, right? So what is the premium on 5,000 debentures? It is 5,000 into 10, which is 50,000. This is the loss that is going to be incurred by the company. 50,000 will come here, right? And then here we will write to debentures account. This is 5,000 into 100, that is 5 lakh, right? And then we will write to premium on redemption of debentures. This is again the same amount, that is 50,000. This will be the journal entry in this case. Now, in this case, we are assuming that the whole 100 rupees is coming along with the application itself. In actual cases, it may not be so. So, we may have a question in which maybe let's take this. T Limited issued, let's say, 8,000 10% debentures of rupees 100 each, and redeemable at a premium of, let's say, 5%. Okay. Rupees 30 is payable on application and the balance on allotment, right? Okay, now in this case, the bank account debit to debenture application, this will be 8,000 into 30, right? 30 is payable on application. So 8,000 into 30 is 2,40,000, right? So here it is 2,40,000. 2,40,000. Okay. Now debenture application to debentures, the same amount will come. So we are not doing anything in the application entry. To debentures, it will be the same amount, 2,40,000. Now when we come to the debenture allotment, debenture allotment account debit. Now here this is 8,000 into 70 rupees, right? 8,000 into 70 is 5,60,000. Now look at this. Now here we will put loss on issue of debentures. Now for 8,000 debentures, the premium is 5%, so 5 rupees, so 8,000 into 5 is 40,000, right? To debentures account, it's again 5,60,000 here. 8,000 into 70, and this one is to premium on redemption, on redemption of debentures. This will be 40,000 again, and then you will write bank account debit to debenture allotment. This is 5,60,000. The premium is basically on redemption, right? The premium is not on issue. So when we write bank account to debenture allotment, it's going to be 8,000 into 70 rupees. Okay. So you can get a question like this also when you have installments. The value of the debentures is paid in installments, or the other case that we took up before this, in which everything is coming in the application itself. The basic thing is this journal entry which you have to learn, right? This is the journal entry basically in which we are dealing with this debentures issued at par and redeemable at premium, right? So we have two more cases in this when the debentures are when the debentures are issued at premium and redeemable at a premium, right? And when the debentures are issued at a discount and redeemable at a premium. So we'll take up those two cases in our next class, next session. Bye.